Not uncommon for Emily Madden from HEB Cooking Connection to join us and cook some shrimp. We love that, and that's what she's doing today. What do we got here?
Yeah, so in here I have some Argentine red shrimp. You've probably noticed I use these guys a lot. They're a great flavor of shrimp, and also they come peeled and deveined already.
Love that.
And sometimes that's how I'm going to make my shrimp decision, is by saving that time.
Well, that's not nothing. I mean, some people don't want to fool with that.
It's not.
So, yeah.
And if you're not used to doing it, it can be kind of awkward.
Right.
And it can be really time-consuming if you're not in the practice of doing it.
Yeah, these are great shrimp. And you got a nice brown on them already. And like we always say when you cook with these, doesn't take really any time at all.
No, it really doesn't. So before I threw my shrimp in, I have one yellow bell pepper that I sliced nice and thin. I got that sauteing first for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I pushed it to the edge of my pan, and then I threw my shrimp in. My shrimp are coated in our Adams Reserve Asian House, so it's a nice multi-purpose Asian seasoning that we're using today. So while our shrimp finish cooking and they're almost done, they're starting to curl real nice, we're going to make our slaw.
Okay.
So I have one of our coleslaw kits, but I'm not going to use the dressing.
Not? Okay.
Nope,
I was
not using it.
I was playing with it during the commercial break. I can continue to do
still
that
play
now.
with it, yeah.
Wonderful. Okay.
So I like the coleslaw kit because it's the cabbage and the carrots.
Yes.
You can buy the shredded carrots and the shredded cabbage separately if you want, but I just wanted to buy one thing.
Right.
So we got a whole bag of that, and then we're going to use about 1/4 of a cup of...
That's why this bag is just going to sit here.
Because I want a curry sauce.
Yeah.
So this is a Thai red curry.
Wonderful.
And then normally I put cilantro in here, but we got somebody in the studio that doesn't like cilantro, so I'm going to leave it out because it's going to be a garnish as well. So that way we can make everybody happy with some cilantro for people who like it and none
That
for
was
people who
nice
don't.
of you to protect Chelsea's identity like that.
Well, you called her out. Okay, so fine. It's all on the air now.
It's an interesting, well, it's genetics. It's not her fault.
It's genetics.
It's an amazing thing.
My roommate has it as well.
Yeah.
Cilantro tastes and smells like soap to her.
Yeah.
So I juiced 1/4 of a lime in here, and then we're just going to toss all this. I don't want a super wet coleslaw.
Okay.
I just want it lightly coated with the sauce.
Some good flavor on there.
You can smell that coconut.
Yeah, I sure can.
This is a new sauce to HEB. They have the Thai curry. They have a white wine butter. There is a roasted garlic and poblano.
We talk about it from time to time. Just so many amazing rubs and sauces and spices. It just changes any dish you make, anything you normally make with shrimp or chicken or something, to add some new flavors to it.
Absolutely.
Makes it all different.
And they're from Bernie.
Oh, cool.
They're from Bernie. Cool. So, eating local,
Yeah.
which HEB loves to find those local products.
Yeah.
HEB's really good about that. So I've got some corn tortillas. You could use flour. This is a personal preference for me. I like corn tortillas with my fish or shrimp tacos.
Notice that.
And a couple slivers of this nicely sauteed yellow bell pepper. You could use red or orange as well. I just haven't used yellow in a while, so I figured I'd use that today. Then we're going to do a little bit of this coleslaw right on top. And then we'll make Chelsea some other ones. So we're going to garnish these with some cilantro. And then we're going to hit it with just a little extra fresh lime juice just to pull all those flavors together and make it pop with a little acid.
Cool.
Quick, easy, great weeknight meal.
And I'm sure it's going to look delicious. And we've ensured that Chelsea will not be taking the display tacos. She'll make one of the other ones.
Right. We'll make her another one.
Good stuff. All right. Thank you, Emily. Appreciate it.
Thank you.